Welcome to Fairhope, Alabama, y'all. One of the friendliest little towns in the South. This coastal community is known for its small town feel. It's one of those places that you can come and park and walk to just about everything. It's full of little shops and boutiques and coffee houses and bookstores and some really good seafood restaurants. And there are a lot of art galleries here. They even do a date night art walk once a month. That's a lot of fun. And they decorate big for the holidays. Like during Christmas time, all of these trees that line the streets will be full of lights, and it is worth the drive. It's just gorgeous. It's also a little college town. Alabama Coastal College is just down this street to the left. The town sits on Mobile Bay, and that's where we're heading today. We're going to go down and walk the pier and show you the beautiful views from down there. So we're glad you're here today. We hope you like the video, and thanks for watching, y'all. We made it to the pier. So this is a 1,448-foot pier that goes out over Mobile Bay, and it is free to walk. Warm today, isn't it?
It is. Huh?
Did you catch some mullets, Davis?
He caught some little bait fish. He caught a shrimp.
Davis.
You see him?
The restaurant here actually had to close after the pandemic and then a couple of hurricanes, but a new restaurant called the Blind Tiger is coming soon. Oh yeah. So the marina has been closed. This used to be filled with the prettiest sailboats. Nothing but the birds. It's raining over there.
Oh, there you go. That's his duck.
Oh yeah.
go. That's okay.
Like this.
Go to Walmart.
Oh yeah, let's stand here for a second.
Go to Walmart, do that. And then you can play.
Dang, it's gonna be. We made it to the end, and if you look way over there, you can see downtown Mobile. And this is looking north toward Daphne Spanish Fort area. And if you can see the sand over there, that's a beach that you can actually swim in the summertime. And there's a little duck pond over there and some picnic areas.
Always a crab hold fish.
Oh, catch him. The crab got him a fish. We'll walk out this way. Straight ahead is Point Clear. That's where the Grand Hotel is. And you can take Scenic 98 all the way from here, all the way down there to that. And off in the distance over there is Dolphin Island.